Oh, yeah, get in there. Get in there. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, little Buddha massage right there. That's good luck. Ooh, that's good luck. Oh. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. I love getting pampered.
Now do me.
Nah, that's a one-way road. I'll pluck your back hair. How about that? You don't have any back hair.
I do. I absolutely do.
All right.
I have angel wings.
Angel wing?
For a reason.
Nice. Hey, I'm Corbin Allred. Jasen Wade. Hi, I'm Jasen Wade.
Wait, are we filming?
We're filming.
What's our lines?
Oh,
Right,
You start.
I just did start.
Okay.
I started.
Okay, again.
Okay. Hey,
I'm Okay, you're going.
okay, action.
I'm Jasen Wade,
I'm Corbin Allred.
and we are Filmworks
Filmworks
Utah.
Utah.
Hey, we did that. We didn't plan it.
We didn't even.
That was so
wasn't
good.
Scripted.
5-week course, March 5th. Put it on your calendars. March 5th. Are you serious?
I thought you were done. I thought that was it.
We're gonna have to roll again. So,
5-week course, March
Wait,
5th.
she's got to say action because then you're stepping over her lines.
Yeah.
Let's be serious.
Serious.
Like, how are anybody ever going to think that we are professionals?
It's Corbin Allred, Jasen Wade. We are doing.
cut.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Rolling.
5-week course. I can't even get through
Yeah, you're
5-week
stepping
course.
over it. I'll say it. It's a 5-week course
5 weeks.
about the actor's process.
Actor's process.
And what's the actor's process?
This course is about the actor's process. Now, the actor's process, there's a lot of emotion involved. Yeah. That just happened on
Cut.
my hand. Okay. This time I'm going to be
Okay,
serious.
seriously, go.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of the actor's process? Neither have we. Are we film actors?
We are film actors.
You wouldn't know it.
You wouldn't know it. Divided into 5 different Thursdays. This is Thursday night. Thursday nights. It's one night a week. 3 hours.
Week.
3 whole hours?
That's what they. Yeah.
Okay, 5-week course. No, that's how I feel. We're gonna get in there, we're gonna talk a little bit, and then work.
Cut.
Wait, how are you taller than me?
Oh,
It's awesome.
I'm still not even this tall.
Nice.
Cut.
Just get through it!
And then
Here we go! Broken down into 5 different days. We're gonna be talking about movement of the body. Wait, that sounds weird.
Cut.
We're gonna be talking about films. We're gonna be talking about film acting.
Yep. Script analysis, character development.
Character arcs and narrative arcs. I mean, there's just so many things we're gonna be talking
We're
about.
gonna be doing some improv. And hey, listen, if you're not an actor or you don't identify as an
Doesn't
actor,
matter. You like
show
movies?
up. Yeah. You want to be more confident in life? Do you want to just build your self-esteem? Do you want to just be around other people that like to have fun? This is the class for you. And it's 5 weeks, 3 hours a week, Thursday nights.
Thursday nights.
This is why you need to come take this class because I'm gonna be there. We will both be there. It'll be a really good. Quiet on the set!
Those are my kids.
Cut.
Just sign up. Just come hang out with us, okay?
No, seriously, you guys. I'm worried about Jasen. This is a big deal for him. He's not a confident guy. I want to make sure that we fill this class and get enough people there that will make
I
him.
can hear every word you're saying.
Okay, cut.
Cut.
I didn't mean it. I did not mean.
Court,
That was an accident. Stop.
get over here.
Why are we so out of breath?
Because I was chasing you.
Elevation in St. George is
Killing me. Oh man.
okay, and we're offering some specials.
Yes. Specials. This is the time to do it.
We don't know what they are, but they're gonna
Check
be
on
there.
the website. We want you to be there.
Cut.
We're gonna be there.
Nope, sorry.
Shut up.
I said
Shut
I jumped
up.
on you. I said I was too.
We are gonna be there. We want you to be there. Yes, we're gonna talk a little bit, but we're gonna have workshops every night. We're gonna work this stuff, and those that are comfortable, they're gonna get up there and they're gonna put on a little show.
And we need friends.
Right.
We do not play well together on screen.
Cut. How embarrassing if nobody shows up.
Well, we won't survive.
Wait.
Come to this class. Desperately begging you to come to our class.
Wait,
And
that
we
sounds
won't-
desperate.
Yeah, we're not desperate.
We're not.
But please, for the love of all that's sacred, come to our class.
Please. Oh yeah, Cedar City, Southwest Tech Building. But that's all in the information below
Or above.
or above.
Or to the sides.
We'll teach you how to do your own stunts like this. Look at that grab. Tom Cruise ain't got nothing on me.
Cut,
Yeah.
please cut.
Yeah, I'm going for the big grab. Don't shoot.
I feel like I've got like one of those like crispy, like a breather booger. Is it, can you see? When I breathe, is it flapping in the wind?
No.
I can't. Are you rolling?
Coming. You got a booger? We'll teach you about method acting. Corbin?
My name's not Corbin!
So instead, maybe we'll teach you about the Meisner technique. It's a little less abrasive.
We'll be doing comedy. We'll be doing drama. We'll be doing dramedy. We'll do comma.
Cut.
Won't be doing is a workshop on love scenes. That got James Franco into a heat of trouble. That's not going to happen here.
Wait, it's not? We didn't talk about that.
Hey, Corbin!
Yes!
When is it?
March 5th!
How long?
5 weeks!
What day?
Thursday!
And how long is that class?
3 hours!
Can I get a discount?
Yes!
Can I get an autograph?
Yes!
Can I get a ride home?
Yes,
Can I stay the night?
of course.
Okay, we'll talk later, okay? See ya.
Do you trust me?
No, I do not.
I don't know how we're gonna come together as a team. So the class is for those 16 years and older, but if you're under 16 and you have a passion and love for acting, we are working on something for you, so stay tuned. Cut.
Cut.
Sorry.
You do.
Okay, I'm serious.
Doesn't matter how much experience you have. You can have a ton of experience. You can have no experience whatsoever. Male, female. You can be 16. You can be 116. It doesn't matter. We want you in our class.
Come and observe or come and participate. We don't just get in there. Let's do this.
And we're gonna bring some industry professionals in. I mean, these
Right.
are like the elite of the elite, not only from Utah, but from Los Angeles. We're gonna bring them in and we're gonna have workshops with them. We're gonna have Q&A sessions with them. So it's gonna be a great, great experience for everybody, including us. I'm really excited and looking forward to it.
I'm overly excited.
The thing that would make us more excited is if it wasn't
If
just
people
us
are there.
sitting there,
Yeah.
looking at each other.
Come on, you get to meet Corbin Allred.
It's true, I will be there.
Come on. You got all the information. Just get in the class and come hang out with us. Can I get an amen?
If it sounds like it's gonna not be all right, you're right.
You're right.
No, that didn't make sense. You can find cost information down below,
Or above.
or
to the
above,
sides.
or to the sides.
Wherever it is.
I promise it will be well worth it.
Can I get a money back guarantee?
Are we doing that?
I don't think so.
No, you cannot get your money back.
Well, you could if like they died or got sick or something, right?
But I mean, do we want to go there?
You're
Still,
heartless.
like it's worth something.
It's heartless. You'll get your money back if you die. No, I put it out there.
Okay, Jason. Hey, and
Hey.
if this cut. Hey, and
If you think
if this sounds like it's going to be a good time, it won't be.
it will,
No, it will be.
It will be.
Cut. I can't work in these
Action.
I
conditions.
can't either. I'll be in my trailer.
Okay.